Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to sell any PDF on Gumroad in 2026, step by step, even if you are a complete beginner. This works for ebooks, guides, checklists, templates, workbooks, mini courses in PDF format. You don't need a website or paid ads or technical skills. If you follow this properly, you can start selling your first digital product today. Let's get started. Now, choose a PDF that people actually want. Before touching Gumroad, you need something important. Demand. Your PDF must solve a specific problem. Good beginner PDF ideas like 30-day fitness plan, beginner budgeting spreadsheet guide, AI prompts for content creators, study planner for students, small business checklist. Bad PDFs are too broad, pure theory, no clear outcome. Ask yourself, what result will the buyer get after reading this? If the answer is unclear, fix the PDF ASAP. Now, create a clean professional PDF. Your PDF does not need to be fancy, but it must be clean, easy to read, well structured, mobile friendly. It's a simple structure. Page 1, title plus promise, quick intro, main page, actionable content, final page, next steps, or bonus, right? Important tip, use large readable font, add spacing, avoid walls of text, include checklists or steps if needed. Okay, so here's an example here, right, where I used like PDF here, but it's an Excel spreadsheet, but don't worry about this, it's an example, right? Here you're gonna see that I'm making, like, for each column 3,500 for as a fee, like, because they want to enter or they want to sign up to our course. Okay, clarity sells more than design. Now, create your Gumroad account. Go to Gumroad and sign up. Choose creator or seller account. Fill in email, username, payout details. Once inside, you will see your dashboard immediately. You can use Google or Discord or X to speed things up. Okay, this is where you upload your product. Now, inside Gumroad, go to product, right? And you're gonna hit new product at the top right. Choose digital product here. Okay, and hit next. Add name of the product. Sorry, don't name it like my ebook. Just say 30-day weight loss plan for beginners. Alright, hit next to customize. Add a price beforehand, say $15. Start like in the beginning, right? Or add title like AI prompt pack for content creators, freelancer, pricing guide. Clarity beats creativity. Next, hit next to customize. Your description should answer who's this for, right? What problem does it solve? What will they achieve? What's inside the PDF? A simple structure should be call out the pain, explain the solution, what they get, who should buy. Keep it short and scannable. Right? Use ChatGPT to help you out with that. Okay, to add the description. Now, if you're new, don't overprice. Good price for beginner range should be from $5 to $19. I put $15 as a beginning, right? Why? Because low friction, easy impulse buy, faster validation. You can always raise the price later. Okay, your first goal is proof of sales. And now what you're gonna do, you're gonna just create a simple thumbnail, right? Your product image matters. Use clean background, big readable title, simple markup. You can use Canva for that, right? Head over to Canva, and on the left hand menu you're gonna see template. Look for something similar to a weight loss, okay? And just add your name on it. Tools you can use, a simple 3D also simple 3D mockup generators. Remember, people judge fast, so make sure to select a right thumbnail. Okay, now what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just hit save and continue. Right here, you're gonna see content. Obviously, into the content you want to sell, right, which is your PDF, and the receipt here. Okay, customize the download button text on receipt in product pages. Okay, and if you want to add a custom message, you can add any additional information you'd like to include in the receipt. And then what you're gonna do, you gotta just hit publish and get your Gumroad link. Gumroad gives you product page, shareable link, checkout system. You are now ready to sell. Now, most beginners get stuck here. How to get your first sales? Best free traffic in 2026 are like TikTok, Reels, Shorts, right? Short form content, or Threads, Twitter style posts, Pinterest pins, or niche communities done properly. Your content should teach something small, show a quick win, mention your PDF softly. Never spam your link. Inside Gumroad, watch views, right, in the analytics here. Right? Watch views, conversion rate, and revenue. If views are high but sales are low, fix your product page. If views are low, fix your traffic. Always diagnose correctly. Now, avoid writing long PDF, boring PDFs, no clear result, overpricing early, no traffic plan, poor thumbnail. Fix these and you're ahead of most sellers. Okay? Now, let's be honest. First week, it should be a testing phase for you. First month, first sales. With consistency, daily sales possible. Digital products compound over time. Selling PDFs on Gumroad in 2026 is still one of the lowest risk online income models. You don't need inventory, shipping, customer support headaches. You need a clear problem, helpful PDF, consistent traffic. Keep it simple and stay consistent. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and comment Gumroad below to know that you watched the whole video. See you in the next one. Hello everyone, welcome.